Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a Trello board. So let's have a look now. At first open Trello in your web browser and log into your account. Navigate to the board you want to archive. Once inside the board, click here to open the board menu. From the board menu, choose Close Board. A confirmation window will appear asking if you are sure you want to close the board. Confirm by selecting Close. After closing the board, return to the boards and click on View Closed Boards. Here is your archived boards. Now you can reopen it or delete it. Trello don't have a archive board option, so you can use close board for archiving. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.